Whatever your dream is for your kitchen, I think that's what's so fabulous too with these barndominium open spaces is that you can really lay out your kitchen exactly the way you want it.
100%. Yeah.
And
yeah.
incorporating the beverage bar, like you said, there's a wine room that's close by or wherever you want to put that one. But there's so many new like pull-out drawers and accessory drawers that they never had in kitchens years ago.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. In fact, the KitchenAid stand, all the special little inserts for the utensils and things like that. It's the accessories for a kitchen have really just blown up recently. And our design and selections department is on top of it. And they have so many fun options that can go into a kitchen. So, if you were a baker or someone that really loved to cook, your kitchen could become your masterpiece for sure.
We talked about, let's go back to the entries. We talked about the entries and where the family enters the home typically. But what about where you greet your guests? Where do you want them to see? Because when you walk into our homes, we design them so that there's like a wow. When you walk in the door, it's like, oh my gosh, there's a beautiful view, massive fireplace that is your focal point, and it can be whatever you want.
That's like a first impression, right? When you first meet someone, that's your home's first impression when you walk through that front door. And the things that we do really, really, really well, the beautiful beams and the gorgeous fireplaces and the views, that's what it's all about. So showcasing those items. And we have a lot of homes that are set up to highlight a front and back view, right?
Yeah.
So the Timberlake, for example, showcasing views out of two different sides of the home. And it's lovely when those spaces feel purposeful and intentional.
Yes. And welcoming. That's the other thing I would say is that these rustic homes have a way of, with the wood and with the finishes that we incorporate into them and how we design the spaces, it's comforting and it can be cozy. Even though it's a big home, it can still feel cozy.
And again, to me, another area to tap into that texture, those different finishes or maybe different flooring or beautiful rugs. I mean, it's a place to highlight as well. And again, just the first impression of your home.
So another thing that we're seeing in these new home designs is those big, large sliding glass doors. They kind of let the outdoors in, and they can be located, off the kitchen or off the great room or wherever you want to expand your living space into the outdoors. And it could be an outdoor kitchen. There's so many more possibilities that we have at our access now with the products that are available to incorporate it into your new home. And we can find that for you.
That's something that's evolved more over time, is just people really enjoying their homes in that way. Again, back to locations, so many of these homes are on a beautiful lake or, mountain views where you could literally hike out your back door. So having those types of areas, even, screen porches, four-season rooms, to bring the outdoors in and spend time in the outdoors is lovely. Hot tubs, you brought up the pools, hot tubs as well. Just using the outdoor space as much as your beautiful indoor space, and those types of things, I think, make you enjoy your home even more. When every inch of it is usable space.
You never want to leave. You have like this resort feel in your own backyard. The barndominium style with those big windows and the big, access, that just really, really will allow you to take in all of those views if you have a gorgeous property.
Mm-hmm. Well, and think generational space too. So many of our clients are using these beautiful homes for hosting their family. So then you've got, maybe some people are inside enjoying the great room and some are outside enjoying a fire pit. The whole family is there, and having all of these wonderful spaces for them to congregate and enjoy each other's company is really the point.